What's up, guys? Welcome to another video, another informative video on the informed household. Now, in the previous video, I showed you guys how to use the VAT threshold monitor on my ebook. I showed you guys how to use the VAT threshold monitor to your advantage and to monitor your annual turnover. Now, today I want to show you guys how to use the missing slip log tab on my ebook, the 60-minute month end. Now, this is going to be a very short video because I just want to show you how the system or how the missing slip log works and how this will be pulled from the master cashbook tab. Now, if you check under the receipts column, you will notice that all of the items are marked off as yes. Now, this yes means that you have gone through all of the steps, step by step, from uploading your business documents onto either WhatsApp or your Google Drive, which is where you're going to be saving your business receipts, documents, or anything related to your business. Now, I want to show you how I've set up this system or the spreadsheet to automatically pull information from the receipt column. Now, if you notice, I'm going to just choose randomly one of the items. I'm going to change it from yes to no. Now, we're going to go over to the missing slip log tab and see if this was pulled through. Now, as you can see that this was indeed pulled through, and this is for client C for 2,800, which is correct. Now, please keep in mind that you need to make use of the receipt column because this will help you track if you do indeed have the receipt for this transaction or not. And just to add, I use this tool at least once a week just to backtrack and check if I do have all of my receipts or any business document that is important for me to keep in my cloud backup. Now, if you notice next to the receipts column, there's a column named receipt status. Now, you will make use of this column if you have completely lost your invoices, your receipts, and there's no way to recover them. So now my ebook includes an internal voucher template to help you create a tax invoice or a receipt for auditing purposes. In the next video, I will show you how to go about creating an internal voucher document. And I will see you guys on the next one.